Are you frustrated that your Messenger app keeps opening Microsoft Edge? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you why this happens and how to fix it, and how to create a shortcut for Messenger to your favorite browser, Chrome, Firefox, or whichever is your default. If you're here, you've probably noticed that the new Messenger app on desktop behaves differently. That's because it's not actually a standalone app. It's an Edge-based web app. This can be frustrating if you prefer Chrome or another browser, but don't worry, I'll guide you through uninstalling the Edge app and setting up the shortcut to use Messenger in Chrome instead. If you want to jump straight to the solution, I've left timestamps in the description, but stick around to find out why this is happening. When you install the Messenger app on Windows, it technically is a progressive web app, or a PWA, packaged by Microsoft Edge. That means even if Chrome is your default browser, Messenger links will open in Edge. This is part of how Microsoft integrates the app into Windows, but it can be inconvenient for some Chrome users. The good news is, you can completely remove the Edge-based Messenger app and set up your own shortcut to the web version in Chrome. It works just like an app and it opens in your preferred browser every time. Okay, as you can see from on the screen here, look, I'm on messenger.com. I'll leave a link in the description down below. If you click on download, it takes you straight to the Microsoft Store. As you can see on screen, the only option is to download it from Microsoft. If you've already gone ahead and done that one and you've got it on your computer, I'll show you how to remove it. If you try and uninstall it through the store, there's no uninstall option. So close the browser, click on Start, type in Settings, and either click Open or click over here. Okay, then from here we want to go to Apps and look down for Messenger. You can just search for it at the top in the search box here. There we go, Messenger, there it is. Single click, and then left click uninstall, and that's now gone. So you've got no Messenger on your system. So what you need to do now is go to Chrome, double click, go to the Messenger's website, messenger.com, then come over here to the top right hand corner, click on the three dots, look down the menu for Cast and Share, and then Install Page as App. And then you click Install, and there you go. It's now set to your default browser. If you sign in on this Messenger, click any of the links, they'll automatically open up in Chrome. So just to recap, we uninstalled Microsoft Edge web app. We replaced it with a Chrome-based shortcut that works just like an app. No more Microsoft Edge surprises. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. For more tech tips like this, let me know in the comments. If you have any other questions about PWAs or browser settings, and don't forget to hit the share on this video with anyone who's struggling with the same problem. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.